Hello everyone, I am Rayhan. Today in this tutorial I am going to talk to you about how to install YouTube beta version. So guys, let's get started. Firstly, you need to open Chrome apps. Then you have to type YouTube beta tester join. Then search it. Now tap on it. Then how to OPT in. Tap on OPT in page. Now tap on become a tester. Now tap on download it on Google Play. Now do update. It will be taking some time. This is the process of downloading YouTube beta. Thanks for watching.